Okay, Dave, I'm going to teach you something today that's going to come in so handy for you.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you have here?
I have two carburetors.
All right.
One's got straight gas in it.
Okay.
The other one's got mixed. I think this is the straight and this is the mixed.
Kind of hard to tell. The primary
You're going to know soon enough.
purge bulbs are tinted.
So what I'm doing here,
Yep.
because you will get a lot of people that are going to bring equipment to you, or they're going to borrow your equipment
Okay.
and bring it back. And guess what?
It'll be blown up.
It'll be blown up, no compression.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
And you're going to pop the gas cap open.
Yep.
Hey, there's mixed gas. So they use the right gas, you're going to think, right?
Can't be their fault.
But, exactly. But you know what people often do?
Okay.
Is that we'll forget to put mixed gas, blow up the engine.
Right.
And then once they figure out what they've done, oh man, I got to dump the gas out.
Right.
And I'm going to put some mixed gas in there so it looks like
Yep.
it wasn't my fault.
So are you saying that people can be dishonest?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. So how can we figure that out?
Okay. If that happens to you,
Yep.
and for example, you know, you have a saw come in your shop like this one.
Okay.
It's all scored up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Maybe you guys have seen this on my previous videos. You pop the gas tank open, it's mixed gas. You think, oh no, it couldn't have been because of that. Well, if you're not sure and you suspect that they took the gas out and put mixed gas to make it look like they always had good gas, is take the carburetor off the machine.
Okay.
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 Get yourself a nice white sheet of paper.
Those are almost blindingly white, Don, on the camera
Yeah,
here.
they're out of my printer.
Nice.
And then take your carburetor, undo the screws, and dump the gas on the paper. The gas is going to dry up. Okay. You're going to know if it's straight gas because you're not going to see an oil stain on the sheet of paper if the gas is straight. So in Canada here, our two-cycle oil is colored.
Okay.
Okay, so I can't speak for other countries where sometimes the two-cycle oil is not colored like here.
Okay.
Okay, there should still be some kind of oil stain with those as well, but I'm not used to those. So today I'm talking about the oil that we use that we're used to, you know, like this still oil, it's blue in color.
Got it.
Okay, so I'll be dealing more with colored two-cycle oils.
Okay. Now I notice these are trimmer or
FS38s, 55,
85
two-cycle.
Two-cycle trimmer.
Yep.
Now on a chainsaw, the carburetor is a bit different, but there still will be some residue left in the carburetor or gas left in the carb.
Yes. This applies to all two-stroke equipment.
Okay.
Okay. So if people ran it without a proper fuel mix, what's going to happen is, well, we know the engine's going to blow, it's not going to run, but there will still be some straight gas left in the carburetor.
Okay.
Even if they've taken out the straight gas from the tank and put mixed in it.
Cool. All right. Let's see what it looks like on the paper.
So I'm going to give you a drill here.
Okay.
Take the screws off.
Okay.
Dump the gas on here. We'll wait till it evaporates and we'll have a look.
Awesome. So why don't we do this, Don?
Sure. Yeah, kind of seems like the price is right.
Yeah. What do they call that? The shell game or what?
Yeah, the shell game.
So let's.
And sometimes you can do this experiment just by taking one side off the carb. Sometimes you don't even need to take both sides off.
Okay.
But you want to get some of the gas that's in there.
Sorry. Thought I had it all the way out.
And just dump that gas right on the paper. Okay, we'll let that dry.
Okay, the same thing for this side.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. It is kind of hard to tell right now.
It for sure is. I think this one looks more blue. Might be hard to pick up on the camera, but
We'll let it dry up and then we'll come back.
sounds good. Okay, Don, so it's been about 10 minutes now. We've let these dry.
Yes.
What do we have?
Can you see the difference?
Oh yeah. So very faint. Where is it? Very faint outline on this side, depending on how you catch the light.
Which carburetor would you think this would have been? The one with mixed or straight?
Straight for sure. Because for the same amount of time, yeah, I am sure.
Okay, just checking you.
What? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So on the right, you can see, depending how you look at the light, there's that very clear
oil
outline.
stain,
greasy. Kind of looks like.
You know when you eat greasy fries at a diner?
Yeah.
And a fry goes on your napkin, and then there's like a oily stain.
That is what that looks like.
That's what it is, yeah. So this is the one with the oil, 100%.
Okay, and this one here.
You can barely see anything. Faint. Very, very faint.
That's because I guess that gas evaporates.
Yeah. And we had to let this dry for about 10 to 15 minutes guys, because we did cut out after we had put the gas on.
Right.
So give it a good 10, 15 minutes to dry. And then sometimes you can even prop up the paper like this.
To let the air get under.
So that it breathes underneath.
Right.
Okay.
So that 10, 15 minutes allows the gasoline to evaporate and it leaves behind the oil.
Yeah. I mean, it's almost scientific to a certain degree.
Right.
It's very easy to see.
It's very easy. The camera has a tough time catching it.
It might, but in person, like right now, it's very easy.
Yeah. Yeah, versus that's very faint. Cool. Okay. Easy test to do.
So somebody brings something in the shop, you're not sure what's happened, take the car apart and do this exact same thing, you're going to know pretty quickly.
Very cool. Well, that's a great piece of info, Don. Thanks so much.
Absolutely. Okay, you're welcome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're subscribed and comment below if you've ever run across issues where people bring stuff that's blown up, but they tell you they've used the right gas.
Cool.
Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.